Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is the chocolate break.
Chocolate break.
Yeah. How you doing?
Alright, how are you?
Good, I'm ready for chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not wasting it time.
No, let's not. What's that?
I don't know, I found it.
Oh. How does that have
outside.
anything to do with chocolate?
Because it's mystery chocolate.
Oh, we're looking at the top of the box, not the front.
Yeah, no. We're looking at the top.
Well, look at the other top. No, keep going, keep going, keep going. Relax.
Relax.
Your chocolate has arrived. Would you like to open this box from Mystery
Yes.
Chocolate Box?
So just mysterychocolatebox.com.
I don't know.
It's heavy.
Ooh, it is. I can tell from here.
Look at it. Comes in a neat pack.
What's it say?
Mystery chocolate box. Hello. Hello, all chocolate lovers. This month's box is a wide-ranging collection of chocolate bars. We have a chocolate bar with a healthy twist. Don't worry, it's still delicious. And one that thinks it's a pie, and one that uses a fairly uncommon inclusion.
Mayonnaise. God, let it be mayonnaise.
And then it tells you what they kind of are a little bit.
No, we don't want to know.
Okay.
Wait, what? So what's the deal? It's a mystery.
It just says like bar A, handcrafted stone ground chocolate. Plus
What's the point? Now I'm like totally confused with why it's telling you what it is when the whole point is that it's a mystery you're supposed to solve.
Maybe because you're just supposed to open them and try them first. So they gave you the little card there so you can write down what you think each one is.
Oh. 1. Gather your friends and family. Present. 2. Taste and enjoy each chocolate bar. 3. Knock over a 7-Eleven. Well, that's...
Wow.
I'm surprised.
So if we go and do that, or... Oh wow, it's because they actually put a cold pack in here.
Oh.
That's why it's so heavy.
Is it cold?
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
But they do it second 2-day, right?
I have no idea.
I think it was 2-day. So yeah, they put that in there and they put it in this nice little...
I don't know. They said they were sending it about a month ago, so I'm unsure. But we have A,
B,
B,
and C.
C. I suppose we should start with A.
Okay.
Bar A.
Oh,
Oh.
Romeo.
Romeo. So this is...
But it smells.
It's dark.
It's dark.
Dark, maybe orange.
I don't know. These look like almost like spices, maybe.
Let's find out. Use your chocolate act. Ooh, that's... If it's... That cut pretty easily if it's dark. Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
I'm dying for chocolate. Cheers. Those little bits give me the feel of like...
Raisins.
Oh. I was thinking kind of like it reminds me of when we've had stuff that has like a lot of lavender in it. I was like these little, I don't know, pips or pods of lavender. That gives me that kind of at least texture, but I don't...
They look like they'd be hard, and some of it looks like maybe nuts, and then like little tiny itty bitty like raisin-like things.
Score?
3. Wasn't bad.
I'll give it a 3 as well.
It definitely seemed like it was dark chocolate, and it was actually pretty good for dark chocolate.
All right.
B.
Barbie. I'm gonna open Barbie.
Barbie.
I'm gonna bifurcate Barbie. So I don't know. We're supposed to guess what stuff is, but I don't know. That first one was really weird.
That was my guess, like a dark chocolate, not like really dark, but dark chocolate with some kind of nut and raisin-like thing.
All right, what have we here? That looks like a bar. Maybe that's white mayonnaise.
This one almost looks like it's dusted with some kind of graham cracker.
Cheers.
Oh, it's lemony.
Big fat frickin' horrible ugly bunghole 0. That
I
tastes
give
like
that
shit.
a 4. I like it.
Really? You like
Yummy.
lemon and chocolate?
I do.
I think that's disgusting.
I like lemon and chocolate.
Bar C.
Remind me of what a Hershey
I was
bar
gonna
looks
say.
like, but it's got something
A little bit of something in
in
there.
it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Almost like chocolate with candy in it. Chocolate with bits of sugar.
Like a little bit of honey things.
Something, yeah. Maybe that's what it is. Honey. It could be date syrup, but it doesn't have that flavor.
Kind of lackluster.
That's like kind of baseline-ish. I'll give it a 2.
Me too.
And then, what does it say these all were?
Says bar A, handcrafted stone ground chocolate plus so many inclusions they could barely fit them all in the bar. Since there are so many flavors to guess, we'll even give you a helpful hint. Of the 9, yes, 9 inclusions, 4 of them are certain healthy types of mushroom. One is a seed, one is a root, one is an herb, one is a berry, and one is part of the cacao bean. So that first one had a lot more. Bar B, contrasting flavor, tasting experience, note, and hint. This bar is technically named and designed after a popular dessert, especially in summer. However, what we are asking for is the 2 main ingredients, not the name of the dessert. That gives you the opportunity to earn double points. And C, the chocolate maker that has gifted this bar to the world is one of the few high-end producers that focus on milk chocolate rather than turning up their noses at it. And we believe they've mastered the art of sophisticated milk chocolate bars. Silky smooth chocolate is just the entrance fee. The game is one with superior flavor, creativity, and masterful blending, and you don't have to go far to experience that level of excellence. Just taste this bar for a perfect example. Enjoy, remember to share, and we hope you love this box.
Well,
So it doesn't actually tell you exactly what's in them, but
I don't know. It's like we've tried 3 chocolates. We don't know what they are. This one's burning the back of my throat.
I guess you could look at the ingredients. They do put the ingredients on here.
Yeah, but I mean that's not going to tell you what the brand and who the manufacturer is.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm like, I don't know. I think the chocolate break needs to possibly boycott subscription boxes, and that's kind of like, I don't know. This was kind of like the last chance for subscription boxes as far as chocolate goes, because there was the Japan candy box. There's been the Tokyo treat that just can't freaking get a hint.
Keeps on coming.
And I mean, I don't want any more of that crap. It's horrible. It's just like month after month. It's like, here's some funny little things that are like not even there, and they just like, I don't know. There's stuff in those honestly that were good, but there's this one which is like totally in the right direction. But I don't know. I think what would be nice is a curated selection of different chocolates once a month, like 5 bars, $20. We're done. You know.
And you know what they are.
And you know what they are, exactly. This is neat, if you know, something special to try out for a special occasion. But thank you for sending it. I mean, these are interesting bars.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Well.
bye.
Bye.